Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Woodpecker Square is probably one of the most essential tools for any woodworker or DIY enthusiast. Its precision and durability make it a must-have for ensuring accurate cuts and measurements. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features that make this square stand out, exploring its build quality, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your workshop. Number 5. Starrett C11H12-4 or 12 combination square. This Starrett combination square is designed for accuracy. The 4 or graduation type with 8 THS, 16 THS, 32 NDS, and 64 THS ensures precise measurements for any project. Built to withstand harsh environments, this tool is made to last. You can rely on it for all your projects, knowing it's durable and dependable. The square head is incredibly versatile. It can scribe right angles, measure, and gauge depth, height, and level, making it perfect for various tasks. The blade is crafted from hardened steel. This provides exceptional durability and resistance to wear, ensuring it can handle rough use and high-impact pressure. Starrett squares are perfect for toolmakers, mechanics, carpenters, and homeowners. It's a practical and versatile tool for anyone's needs. What we like. This combination square is built with hardened steel, ensuring it can withstand the toughest environments. It offers a variety of uses, from scribing to measuring. If you need a reliable and accurate tool for any project, this is a great choice. What people say. It is square, not kinda, sorta square if you hold it right. The numbers and lines are engraved so they don't wear off. Reinserting the blade after removing it from the body is easy. Number 4. Woodraphic 4-inch Precision Square Ruler. This ruler offers ultimate marking precision, allowing you to mark down to the finest millimeter. It's also certified for square accuracy, so you can be sure you're getting perfect right angles. This tool is not only for perfect 90-degree angles, but also for measuring diameters. It comes in various sizes to suit your project needs, perfect for marking cut-off work. Each blade is precisely milled and finished for maximum durability. The laser-engraved markings on a black background make it easy to read. The set includes a square, a 0.5 mm sharp pencil, and an Allen wrench. The handle has marking holes for enhanced precision, allowing you to easily mark lengths and dimensions. Made with anodized aluminum, the blade is sturdy yet lightweight. Its ergonomic design reduces pressure on your wrists and elbows, making it comfortable for all-day use. What we like. This square allows for precise marking, down to the finest millimeter. It comes in various sizes, making it suitable for different projects. If you are looking for a square that combines accuracy and versatility, you should consider this one. What people say. They are dead accurate, stylish, and the workmanship is on par with any other brand that I own. It's very highly durable, the amount of holes for various different measurements is the biggest selling point. It has little holes so that you can scribe straight lines on the body of the square. Number 3. Woodpeckers Mini Square, Pocket Woodworking Square. Introducing the Woodpeckers Mini Square. This handy tool is perfect for woodworking projects. It's a must-have for any craftsman. With a 1 to 1/8 inch by 2 inch inside dimension, this mini square is designed for precision. You can easily check the edge of your cutting tools with it. Machined from aluminum, it's lightweight and durable. The dark red anodized finish makes it easy to spot any imperfections. This mini square is easy to grip and won't chip your tools. It fits right in your pocket or its custom tray. Like all Woodpeckers products, it's built in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this tool. What we like. This mini square is compact and lightweight, perfect for pocket carry. It's designed for checking the edge of your cutting tools. If you are a woodworker who values precision and portability, it's a must-have. What people say. I love the size and accuracy of it. This is a top-quality square. One of the things that I like is that the two legs of the square are the same thickness so you can use it to mark lines on surfaces that are 90 degrees apart. The craftsmanship is excellent and this actually shipped and got to me 3 days sooner than expected, so definitely a 5-star product all around. Number 2. Woodpecker's 26-inch Precision Woodworking Square. This is a 26-inch precision woodworking square, made in the USA. It's accurate to within 0.001 inch along its full length. You can rely on it for precise measurements. The square starts as a solid piece of cast aluminum. It's carefully machined using high-tech CNC equipment. This process ensures the tool's accuracy and durability. The handle cheeks are made of precision machined aluminum. They are fitted with stainless steel dowel pins for rigidity. This construction method provides unmatched strength and accuracy. The inside edge has a shoulder for laying flat on your work. The thick base allows it to stand upright for easy checks. These features make your work easier and more accurate. It allows hands-free operation for checking casework parts. There's a notch at the corner for precise layout lines. Easy-to-read scales are laser-etched. A racket wall mount is included. What we like. This square is built with high precision and accuracy. The self-standing design makes it easy to check square on machinery. If you are a professional woodworker looking for a feature-packed and accurate square, this is the one for you. What people say. This square is accurate and very consistent over all of the dimensions that affect its accuracy and squareness. I could not be more pleased with the design features, quality material and rugged construction of the Woodpecker's Precision Square. I particularly appreciate the feature of the extended lip around the inner edge of the short leg that allows it to rest on the board edge and the small cutout at the center point so you can run a line with your pencil or knife all the way to that board edge. Number 1. Woodpecker's 12-inch Precision Woodworking Square. This is the Woodpecker's 12-inch Precision Woodworking Square. It's accurate to within 0.001 inch. This tool is made in the USA. The square starts as a solid piece of cast aluminum. It's carefully machined on CNC equipment. The result is a single-piece ruler and handle square, ensuring accuracy. Two pieces of precision machined aluminum form the handle's cheeks. Stainless steel dowel pins provide rigidity and perfect alignment. This construction method offers unmatched strength and accuracy. The handle has a shoulder for laying flat on your work. The thick base allows it to stand upright for checking square. This feature makes setup operations easier. It allows hands-free operation. A notch at the inside corner lets you zero out your layout line. Easy-to-read scales are laser-etched in 1/16 increments. It also comes with a racket wall mount. What we like. This square is built with high precision and accuracy. The self-standing design makes it easy to check square on machinery. If you are a professional woodworker looking for a feature-packed and accurate square, this is the one for you. What people say. This square is accurate and very consistent over all of the dimensions that affect its accuracy and squareness. I could not be more pleased with the design features, quality material and rugged construction of the Woodpecker's Precision Square. I particularly appreciate the feature of the extended lip around the inner edge of the short leg that allows it to rest on the board edge and the small cutout at the center point so you can run a line with your pencil or knife all the way to that board edge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.